Good morning to all. Yes, this is our day 21 and we have completed our day 20. If you want to learn new vocabs, then yes, this channel is for you. So, from today onward, we will take one topic and on that topic, we will use new vocabs so that you will learn that vocabs and you will also use in your daily life. Okay, so today we will talk about that is why playing safe can be risky. Means there are many people believe that playing safe is the best option in life. Yes, do you feel like that? Please do comment in the comment section that yes, if you feel like that. But truth is that playing safe all the time can actually stop our growth. Do you know? Don't just play safely. Try new things, new actions, so that you know what is going on in your life or in your thing like that. So when we are doubt to make an important decision like career choosing, changing a job, or starting something new, situation often feels iffy. Do you know what is mean by iffy? Situation feels often iffy means iffy means that is uncertain, which is doubtful, which is not reliable. What I said that yes, when we are about to make decision about our career, there are many people are that they doesn't decide their goal, so they are iffy in their goal. Iffy means uncertain, doubtful, and not reliable. Okay, that is our new vocabulary, so just remind it and use in your daily life so that you will become confident in English. Okay, so we are not fully confident and we keep thinking that which career path we have to take. We have to join this job or we have to not join this job, like that. What if we join this job if it doesn't work? What if I join this career then if it doesn't work? Like that, so many things we think. Okay, that is means iffy. It's not a certain. Because of iffy situation we delay action. Because of uncertain we don't have the base, we don't have one certain goal that we have to do that thing only, then we feel iffy. Okay, then second, that is at the same time we try to be frugal. Now you will say that what is mean by frugal? You are using frugal. Just first I want to say about that topic. After that I will explain you what is mean by frugal. At the same time we try to be frugal also, not just money, not just with money but also with efforts. We become frugal with learning. Okay, we become frugal with learning, frugal with talking, risks, and frugal with believing in ourselves. While being frugal with money is a smart, being frugal with dreams is dangerous. Now I have used lots of frugal, so I will tell you what is meant by frugal. Frugal means that is using carefully something, using carefully like money, using carefully. Okay, means don't waste it. uh, if you remind that we talked earlier on the topic that is consumerism and minimalism. In that, there is minimalism person, that is who did not waste their money, and the consumerism people are there, they only waste their money. And minimalism people, if they want, then only that people waste their money. Okay, that's like minimalism mindset people are the frugal. Why they are frugal? Because they care about their money, they did not waste their money more. That is mean by frugal. If you know now that what is mean by frugal, what is mean by iffy, then do comment in the section that tell me that what is mean by frugal and what is mean by iffy, because we have learned two words today. Okay, so uh, now I will tell you one more words, that is when we are going to our interview, or when we are doing any new thing, like at starting I'm trying to speak in English in front of you. I just imagine that you all are in front of me and I'm trying to deliver my speech. At that time, I feel palpitating. I feel palpitating. Palpitating means that is a heartbreak, feeling nervous, emotional, like that. Means if we are going to any interview, or if you are going to any job, means it's our first time, then our heart get palpitating. That is mean feeling nervous. Okay, so until now we have learned three words, that is iffy. What is iffy means? Iffy means uncertain, doubtful, unreliable. That is, our plans are not, that is, it is uncertain, sometimes it is a doubtful. Okay, we are using. So, use this word your daily life, that is iffy means uncertain, undoubtful, and not reliable. Second word, that is our frugal, means how you pronounce frugal. Frugal. Frugal means that is being careful about your money. Being careful towards your money. Okay. There is some person that she is very frugal towards her money. Means being careful. Second word is frugal. And third word is palpitating. What do you pronounce? Palpitating. Palpitating means that is nervous, feeling nervous. Heartfelt means our heart beats running fast, feeling nervous if we are doing something new task. This is the three words what we have learned today. We have learned new vocabs, and this is very um, useful for you. You use it daily life. If you are doing anything, and if you are talking to anyone, just try to use this, so that you feel become confident and you feel that yes, I know some words that, so I will express that word. So use that word. So we will learn today three words. Okay, like that we will learn tomorrow also. We will learn all up to our 30 days. Okay, so from today we will start to learn new vocabs. Okay, so be with me so that you will also learn new vocabs, because yes, I know that you are trying to speak in English regularly like me. So like that you will also gain new vocabs, new words daily, so that you will use these words in your daily life. Okay, for that, to learn new words, you have to be with me, and also support me, and also subscribe me, so that we will gain as much as our subscriber, and we will make our community. Okay, so yes, like, share and comment, so that you will get my video. So thank you and bye.